Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, or you can email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and this number uses WhatsApp. So this number uses WhatsApp, and it's 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Remember that you can have classes with us. You can either have class in person or over the telephone. These classes are available whether it's in person or over the telephone. These classes are available island-wide, anywhere in the island, anywhere in Jamaica. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class or longer if you choose. It starts from $2,000 per month. $2,000 per month for 1 hour class per week. For one class per week, 1 half hour class per week. $2,000 per month. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it to our Jamaica national account. Pay for the classes, pay for the telephone classes or the in-person classes to our Jamaica National Bank account. To have class in person, you can have class for 2 hours each class, any day, anytime you choose, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m., any day of the week from Sunday to Sunday. Classes in person can either be with a class, as a full set of class with other persons in it. That means you will come to us, or we can go to you. To come to us, it would be $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. 2 hours for the class. 2 hours, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Any day of the week, Sunday to Sunday. Or we can go to you. We can go to your location, your house, or wherever you would like us to go to. To go to you, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Any day of the week, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Classes can be any grade of primary or prep school, PEP, reading for adults, reading classes for adults, teenagers, or children. So adults, teenagers, or children can have reading classes, PEP classes for any grade of primary or prep school, as well as persons doing the art aptitude test can have classes with us. We will help you with your art aptitude test. Pay for it using Pay for it using our Jamaica National Bank account. You are also invited to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers or PEP papers and PEP papers. 50 GSAT past papers and PEP papers, about 50 papers for only $4,000. Only $4,000 for the set of about 50 past papers, GSAT past papers, as well as PEP past papers. Send us a WhatsApp in send us a photograph. Send us a WhatsApp, an email. Send us an email telling us which email address you'd like the email sent to. You will receive these tests by email. Send us an email telling us from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and that way we will have the email address right and ready to send it to. So send us an email from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and we will have that email address right and ready to send the test to. So we will send you an email of the 50 GSAT and PEP past papers. You will receive the emails the day after payment is made. Send us a photograph of your receipt through email or WhatsApp. The account number is Island-wide Jamaica National Bank account number 0011114402, Afro Tree Branch. Account holder's name Richard Shaw. Again, make payment for anything, for classes or past papers at any branch of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Shaw. Send us a photograph of the receipt in WhatsApp or by email to let us know proof that would be proof of your payment. So send us a photograph of your receipt after you have made payment in WhatsApp or by email as proof of your payment. You may make the payment online, or you can go into the bank and use the Dropbox. Use Jamaica National Dropbox to pay for it. That's a quicker way to pay for it. You don't have to use a teller. You can use a Dropbox and pay for it, and you can make payment online. So remember, Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number, and this is a WhatsApp number. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This is question number 100 out of 150 questions. This question asks, what is 24% of $120? The choices are A. 24 over 120, B. 24 over 100, C. $28.80, D. $24. Again, the question and choices are, what is 24% of $120? The choices are A. 24 over 120, B. 24 over 100, C. $28.80, D. $24. Do you know how to calculate percentages? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up, and then you'll have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices, then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. What is 24% of $120? The choices are A. 24 over 120, B. 24 over 100, C. $28.80, D. $24. Now to read my answer. 120 over 1 multiply by 24 over 100. 120 over 1 multiply by 24 over 100. 0 cancels 0. 5 into 5 into 2 into 10. 2 into 10 5 times. 2 into 24 12 times. 24 times 12 times 12. 12 times 12 equals 144. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 144 over 5. 144 divided by 5. 144 divided by 5 is equal to 28.8, equal $28.80. Answer C. Now to explain my answer, the question asks for what is 24% of $120. Of shows that you are to multiply. The word of shows that you are to multiply. 24% is 24 over 100. 24% is 24 over 100. And of $120 is times 120. Of $120 is times 120. So 24% of $120 is 24 over 100 times 120, or 120 times 24 over 100. So again, 24% of $120 is 24 over 100 times 120 over 1, which you put over 1, put all old numbers over 1. So that's 24 over 100 times 120 over 1, or 120 over 1 times 24 over 100. Okay, let's cancel out. Now you have 120 over 1 multiplied by 24 over 100. Let's cancel out. Let's see if there's a common factor between any numerator and any denominator. Let's see if there's a common factor of any numerator. Let's see if there's a common factor between any numerator and denominator. 0 can cancel out 0. It's as if you say 10, each number is divided by 10. Each number is divided by 10. So let's cancel out the 0 in 120 and the 0 in 100. Let's cancel the two zeros at the end of 120 and 100. Again, let's cancel the two zeros at the end of 120 and 100. Let's cancel out the two zeros at the end of 120 and 100. It's as if you say 120 divided by 10 and 100 divided by 10. 120 divided by 10 and 100 divided by 10. Okay, so 0 cancels 0. 0 cancels 0. That leaves 12 over 1 and 24 over 10. 0 cancels 0. That leaves 12 over 1 and 24 over 10. Next, 2 can go into 10 and 2 can also go into 24 without leaving a remainder. 2 is a common 2 is a common factor of 10 and 24. 2 into 10 goes 5 times and 2 into 24 goes 12 times. 2 into 10 goes 5 times and 2 into 24 goes 12 times. Again, 2 into 10 goes 5 times and 2 into 24 goes 12 times. 2 into 10 goes 5 times and 2 into 24 goes 12 times. Next, there is no common factor between any numerator and denominator now. There is no common factor between any numerator and denominator now, as 5 cannot go into 12 without leaving a remainder, and 1 into any number is still the same number. Again, 5 into 12, 5 cannot go into 12 without leaving a remainder, and 1 into any number is still the same number. So there is no common factor between any numerator and denominator. So let's multiply across. Let's multiply across. 12 multiplied by 12 is equal to 144. 12 times 12 is 144. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. Again, 12 times 12 is 144, and 1 times 5 is 5. 12 times 12 is 144, and 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, so now we have 144 over 5. 144 over 5. This is an improper fraction. This is an improper fraction. Therefore, turn it into a whole number or a mixed number or a decimal. Turn this number 144 over 5 into a whole number or a mixed number or a decimal. We're working with dollars and cents, so we can turn it into a decimal. We're working with dollars and cents, so we can turn it into a decimal. Let's divide 144 by 5. Let's divide 144 by 5. Okay, let's divide 5 into 1. 144 divided by 5. 5 into 1, you can't. 5 into 1, you can't. So you cross out the 1 and put a small 1 in front of the 4 beside it. You cross out the 1 and put a small 1 in front of the 4 beside it. Next you say 5 into 14. So that becomes 5 into 14. So that becomes 5 into 14. 5 into 14 goes 2 times, remain 4. 5 into 14 goes 2 times, remain 4. As 5 times 10, 5 times 2 is 10, and 14 minus 10 is 4. So 5 into 14 goes 2 times, remain 4, as 5 into 14, as 5 times 2 is 10, and 14 minus 10 is 4. Again, 5 into 14 goes 2 times, remain 4, as 5 times 2 is 10, and 14 minus 10 is 14. One more time. 5 into 14 goes 2 times, remain 4, as 5 times 2 is 10, and 14 minus 10 is least 4. Okay, write a little 4 in front of the 4 beside it. Write a little 4 in front of the 4 beside it, and write the 2 above, on the line above. Write the 2 on the line above. That number beside it now becomes 44. That number beside it now becomes 44. Next you say 5 into 44. 5 into 44. 5 into 44 goes 8 times, remain 4, as 5 times 8 is 40, and 44 minus 4 leaves 4. Again, 5 into 44 goes 8 times, remain 4, as 5 times 8 is 40, and 44 minus 40 leaves 4. Again, 5 into 44 goes 8 times, remain 4, as 5 times 8 is 40, and 44 minus 40 leaves 4. One more time. 5 times 8, 5 into 44 goes 8 times, remain 4, as 5 times 8 is 40, and 44 minus 4, and 44 minus 40 leaves 4. Okay, write the 8 above it, and then for the 4 that is remaining, you write a point, put a point, and then you write a 0 and put the 4 in front of, a little 4 in front of the 0. Again, for the 4 that is remaining, you write a point and put point over point, and then you write a 0, and write the 4 that is remaining in front of the 0. Write the 4 that is remaining in front of the 0, a little 4, write a little 4 in front of the 0. Write a little 4 in front of the 0. That makes 40. 40. Next, 5 into 40. 5 into 40. 5 into 40 goes 8 times and no remainder. 5 into 40 goes 8 times and no remainder, as 5 times 8 is 40. 5 into 40 is 8 times and no remainder, as 5 times 8 is 40. Again, 5 into 40 goes 8 times and no remainder, as 5 times 8 is 40. 5 into 40 goes 8 times and no remainder, as 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, so you can put a zero at the end because you're working with dollars and cents. So you can put a zero at the end after the 8. So that's 0. That 0 doesn't have any value really, but it's 80 cents. It makes it 80 cents. So 144 divided by 5 is $28.80. 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 Answer C, $28.80. Answer C, $28.80. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
Have your child prepare for the Grade 3 diagnostic test, the Grade 4 literacy test, the numeracy test, and GSAT and PEP all in one. Remember that GSAT and PEP are both basically the same thing. The exams are structured differently, but the topics are basically the same thing. In PEP, they will still be doing mathematics, language arts, science, social studies, and composition and writing. So you can use this test to prepare for PEP as well, and they are suitable for the Grade 3 diagnostic test, the grade 4 literacy test, and the grade 4 numeracy test. Remember that GSAT starts in grade 4 also. And the PEP also starts in grade 4. Don't forget that. So start preparing from before grade 4, okay? Start preparing from now. Start preparing from before grade 4. Receive 50 GSAT past papers and practice tests, 10 of each of the 5 GSAT subjects: mathematics, language arts, communication tasks, social studies, and science, with answers and explanations, all conveniently delivered island-wide by email. The full package costs just $4,000. Payments should be made island-wide to any branch of Jamaica National Building Society, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch. Account holder's name is Richard Sharp. Notify me when payments are made to receive your package. Telephone, and this is a WhatsApp number. This number uses WhatsApp, 353-4752, or email me at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Send me your email. Send me an email when you make payments. Send me an email from the email address that you would like the test sent to. The emails the test sent to. So send me an email after you have made payment. Send me an email from the email address that you would like the test sent to, and in that way I will know the email address that you would want me to send it to. The test will be emailed to you the day after payment is made. Go ahead, write down that account number right now. The Jamaica National Building Society, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch. Account holder's name Richard Sharp. Write down that account number right now and make your payment right now to receive your test, and be ready for PEP, GSAT, grade 3 diagnostic test, grade 4 literacy test, or grade 4 numeracy test. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile, PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.